Today we have to start Maths 2, Chapter 1, Similarity. Similarity means looking similar. Looking similar. That means all circles are similar. All circles are similar as they look same. But triangles may be similar or not. This triangle is similar to this triangle also. But this triangle not similar. Not similar. Are you getting? Similar. Size may be change, but looking like same. This triangle is right angle triangle, but this is not, so they cannot be similar. This is again another similar, not similar triangle. Okay. So in this chapter we have to see 1.1. Is today we have to see 1.1, that is depend of area of triangle. What is the formula of area of triangle? Area of triangle equal to 1/2 base into height. Base always perpendicular to height. That means intersect each other at 90-degree angle. Now what is the ratio of area of triangles, two triangles? Let area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 equal to 1/2 into base 1 multiplied by height 1 upon 1/2 into base 2 multiplied by height 2. What do you mean? B means base, H means height. 1 respective triangle 1, 2 respective triangle 2. In this case, we have seen 1 by 2 may be cut. So therefore, area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 equal to B1 multiplied by H1 upon B2 multiplied by H2. That means you can say the ratio of two triangles equal to, or you can say the ratio of two triangles is proportionate to the product of base and height of two triangles. Okay? Now, if bases are congruent, that means base 1 equal to base 2, then area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 equal to H1 upon H2. That means in some conditions there may be bases of two triangles may be same or congruent. If they are congruent or same, in that case, what happens? Area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 equal to H1 upon H2, because we can see B1 and B2 are congruent, so they may be removed or cut. Okay? That means area of two triangles will be proportionate to the height of that two triangles. If heights are congruent, what happens? H1 equal to H2. In that case, area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 equal to base 1 upon base 2. If heights are congruent only, in this case bases are not congruent, height are congruent or height are same, then height may be removed, means they can be cut, then only B1 and B2 will be remain. So in that case, area of two triangles means the ratio of area of two triangles proportionate to the ratio of only bases. Okay? What happens if bases as well as heights are congruent? If that means B1 equal to B2 and H1 equal to H2. In this case, both B1 B2 will be cut, H1 H2 will be cut. In that case, area of triangle was equal to area of triangle 2. Area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 equal to 1 upon 1. That means area of triangle 1 ratio area of triangle 2 equal to 1 to 1. That means area of triangle 1 equal to area of triangle 2. In this case, if base and height are congruent, then ratio of two triangles in the ratio of 1 to 1. Therefore, area of triangle 1 equal to area of triangle 2. These are the basic formulas we have to learn and remember for solving 1.1. There are some other formulas I have to give you. One is that area of triangle equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. Base always perpendicular to height, that means they must be intersect at 90-degree angle. This is the second formula. This is our second formula. If we have to find the ratio of two triangles, area of two triangles, then they will be in the proportionate of product of base and height. This is the third one. If any cases bases are congruent, then B1 equal to B2. Therefore, ratio of two triangles, area of two triangles equal to ratio of their heights. If heights are congruent, then ratio of area of two triangles will be in the proportion of their bases. This is the fourth formula. And if base and height are congruent, in that case area of two triangles are equal. This is the fifth formula. One another thing we have to remember that base B1 into H1 equal to B2 into H2 equal to B3 into H3 in same triangle always. This is the sixth formula we have to remember. What I have to say, in same triangle, in one triangle, if we have taken this base and this is the height, then base 1 into height 1 equal to always, if base is second, height is second, they are equal. Or if base is third and height is third, so there will be also equal. Means area of triangle, one triangle, whatever taken the base with respect to that height, they are same. This is the sixth